Bago natin patuloy ang bakbakan ng mga coaches, ito, ididiretso na natin agad ang unang battle for tonight at ang unang sasalang ay ang Benkada. Coaches Paulo, Coach Miguel, sino-sino sa team ninyong huli ang magbabattle?
Ang huling team ng Benkada na magbabattle ay si Gianni, si Katniss, and si Lily.
Team Light, ang napili naming song para sa inyo ay ang Fly Me to the Moon.
The song is like jazz.
I like a little bit of jazz music po.
Alam ko na po ang song because kinakanta din ng parents ko.
When I was 5 years old po, those were one of my first songs to sing. I memorized the lyrics, yung tones.
The light group is, their voices are very light. They're very easy. It's very smooth. Parang malamig na hangin sa mainit na araw ang kanilang hatid na performance.
In other words,
Uwi na.
I think yung mga important parts na kailangan na husayan, like yung run dun sa simula,
Yung dynamics niya yung tatlo, yung lipad, tsaka yung baba ng song, nagawa niya siya.
what pointers we gave to them, which is yung connecting to each other, yung
Passing on.
that energy to each other while performing. Kasi it's also very important since they're performing one song altogether and not 3 different songs.
Parang pag-translate nung galing nila sa pagkanta sa pag-perform sa stage, which includes not just singing but also expressing movement around the stage and connecting with each other, connecting with the audience.
Be confident and don't think about negatives.
Kung sino man sa atin nang makuha, dapat friends pa rin tayo.
Let's have fun and do our best.
Just keep working on it then. I mean, it's good that you showed very good progress now. Pero what we also don't want is makampante tayo. Okay? So, keep practicing, keep getting enough rest para as we head into the battle rounds, talagang masustain nyo yung performance nyo. Okay ba yun? Okay, nice. Let's go, Team Light!
Light, energy, feel, hamana, Benkada!